Hi, today we're going to look at end behavior for polynomial graphs. End behavior is just a general description of what's happening at the end of the graph where you have these arrows. Where are they going? So looking at the first quadratic, that parabola over there, we know with these arrows, generally we're going to move down very quickly, and then very slowly we're going to come outwards. So I want to know the two different directions. I want to kind of like put numbers to them. I want to put something to that. So with this corner, I like to just kind of circle and I'm going to kind of put my answer right over here. This graph moves in two different directions. It moves downwards and very slowly it's going to move out to the left. Okay, what does that really mean? Well, my x value of it, my x, going left and right, it's going backwards in the negative direction. We're going to say x moves in the negative direction. How much does it move? Well, this graph goes on forever, so we're going to say it goes on forever by putting that infinity sign there. What about the y? So the y portion, y goes up and down. This graph also moves downwards. Downwards means negative. So we're moving downwards in another negative position. So that is the end behavior for just that half of the graph. What about this half of the graph? Well, when I'm looking at this, I know my graph goes downwards very quickly and very slowly it moves to the right. So we're again moving in x and y directions. So my x going side by side is moving in the positive. So we say positive. Positive how much? Infinity. My y, it means we go downwards. How much do we go down? Well, down's negative, and we go down forever. So we say negative infinity. It's finding the end behavior there. Let's take a look at these other two. So this middle graph, looking at just this, I know my graph goes upwards very quickly, very slowly does it move out to the left. Okay, so we've got our x and our y. Our x is going somewhere, our y is going. Our x is going backwards. Our x is going negative. Negative what? Infinity. It's going backwards forever. My y is going up. We're always going up. Up is positive. How long are we going to go? Forever. So we put that infinity sign there. How about that corner? Well, we go downwards, we move to the right. So our x goes in the positive direction. How much? Forever. Our y moves in the negative. It goes downwards. Always. So these are your two end behaviors for that graph. Lastly, now I don't really care what's going on in the middle here. All of these turns and these bumps, they don't mean anything. When I'm talking about end behavior, all I care about are those two little pieces. So what's happening here? We're going up and we're going to the left. So my x goes backwards. That means negative. How long? Forever. My y means going up. We're going to go in the positive direction. How long are we going to go in the positive direction? Forever, an infinity amount of time. Last side to that, my graph goes up and to the right. So x moves in the positive forever, y moves in the positive forever. And there's your end behavior for that last one. That's finding end behavior for polynomial graphs.